What's going on, guys? So a while back you might have seen that I actually made some custom turn signals for my Z after I installed the Thai headlight, and I like the way they look, but they really aren't that well seen during the day especially, and at night it's still very hard to see. So I saw that TST Industries released their Mech-GTR Turn Signals for their FZ07, MT09, whatever, the new FZ07 platform. And I picked these up from the guys over at TST after I saw them on the FZ07 and thought that they would look amazing on my Z. And I talked with Mark and he actually prototyped it on his Z a couple days ago. So it kind of gave me a good idea of how I'm gonna do it. And let's get started. So just looking over the part, you got some high quality parts on this thing. Here's going to be your turn signal itself, and this is kind of the glow light. I have hyper white. They have a bunch of other colors on the website, but it's all really good quality as with all the other stuff from TST. And now we just need to get it installed. I just want to preface that this is not a plug and play kit unlike most of the other parts. I will be 3D printing some stuff to make it work with my application, but they are working on releasing a DIY kit to kind of give you the tools that you're going to need to custom fab them to your bike. And though I have the Thailand Direct headlight, this will work with the stock headlight. Mark was able to do it on his. Fairly simple, so it can be done. Don't mind the duct tape, it'll be redone. Now that we got those off, let's just see if this is gonna fit. I got one. Run those wires through. No way. No. Wow. That is pretty awesome. Absolutely no cutting necessary. That's pretty nice. I mean, it's still a little, you can kind of tilt it if you need to, but with this Thailand headlight, it's like, it might just be plug and play besides the wiring. So since this is where the hyper white is gonna be coming out of, and it's gonna kind of illuminate this whole section as a running light, I kind of want to block this part right here so you can't see it, so it's not lighting up in this general vicinity while I'm riding. So I'm going to 3D print a piece that's going to cover this, but still allow the light to travel through. And it's about 12.4 millimeters, 12.3, 12.0, whatever. It's about there. It doesn't have to be exact. And then the way that it mounts, it should be fine. So we're going to get that 3D printed, and we'll be right back. With the help of a little bit of movie magic, I already have it 3D printed. Hope you like that little time lapse that I did. We're just gonna see if this fits. I honestly don't even know if it fits. It's a little snug. I might have to push it on straight. Oh man, I might need a little bit of lube. Actually, I might just need to file it out a little bit since my tolerances on my 3D printer are kind of crap. Oh, getting there. Uh-oh. I don't want to break it. Uh-oh, nope. I think I'm stuck. All right, I'll be right back. Ended up just having to take a Milwaukee Dremel tool thing, rotary tool I guess is the proper name for it, and then kind of hit it down with a hammer. Oh man, I think I did it too big. Clipped in a little bit. So that piece, I might need to make it a little bit slimmer, so that this piece can actually kind of clip in more. I'll redo that later. Just got everything wired up, didn't want to bore you with trying to figure out how everything goes, but the running light looks awesome, and there we go. Sometimes it does that weird thing, I don't know if it's just because it's not running. Clicks back to white, and that's how it's supposed to look. And then to cover the wiring, we are gonna go up and just go over the wiring. Your red wire is the ground, brown wire is the signal, and your blue is your constant 12 volt for the running light. And I just tapped it into, on the Z125, the brown and white wire coming out of the headlight connector which goes to that little LED at the bottom of the headlight. And then I just wired it up to the stock turn signal plug. Your green wire is your constant 12 volt, or not, the signal wire technically, and then your black and white wire is your ground. And I didn't want to bore you guys putting everything back together and doing the other side, so I absolutely love the way it turned out. It definitely completes the look, and it's a lot more seen, and actually I'll demonstrate the turn signal for you. Yeah, it is way more seen than the other one. You can actually see it now from the front and from the sides, which is nice. It's kind of tucked behind the little fang thing for the inner glow, but that's fine. But I just love the way the running light looks, and it just ties it all together. And if you want to pick up a kit and make it work on your bike, I will leave a link down in the description. And also you can use GG10_2018 to save 10%. You're welcome. But yeah, that's a discount code that they give us to give out to you guys, so it doesn't do anything for us, just saves you money. But that wraps it up. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.